What's the meaning of buckshot? Buckshot. Buckshot.
Buckshot. Buckshot. Buckshot refers to a type of shotgun ammunition that contains small, round metal pellets. When fired, these pellets scatter in multiple directions and can hit multiple targets at once. The result of using buckshot can be devastating, as it is particularly effective in close-range combat and can cause significant damage to both objects and living beings. Its intended use ranges from hunting game like deer or birds to law enforcement and self-defense situations. However, because of its widespread and potential for collateral damage, it requires careful consideration and skillful handling.